Thanks, Blue. Good food is cooked.
Welcome back to another vlog. It is Vlogmas Day 2, and I did tell you guys that we don't have any light, and tonight I'm going to challenge myself to cook with just using the ring light. Put your tongue in your mouth. To cook with just using the ring light. However, this intro is being done after. As you hear the pot, basically, I do think it's simmered down. The rice is finished, and I'm not waiting on the chicken to go down because I added some water. Just I never shown it. But I'm showing us somebody add some water, but I just add some water. So I'm gonna show you guys. People them never see you. I have no peer kiss. I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I did. No man. Guys, the camera dropped. So I'm gonna show you guys a few things that I did.
Didn't break though.
No. So basically I just me and the baby them there. Jelani gone out of shop. I don't know when God do, but things ain't gone out of shop. We there, we are easy, we are chill, guys. As I said, we not have the light, and we are try work on getting that back. We have a video that was done today that I'm not sure to that out your mouth if I want to upload it, because I know how people are. I can't bother with people sometimes. Like everything people post is a problem. So basically, Jelani, I telling that say
Santa Claus Day.
right, so Santa Claus dead. And she, like, Harry burst out in tears. I tell you, real tears. I might post it and I might not. I don't know. Them know why you're. Can you ever start up your whole thing again? Santa Claus dead and you don't know anything. Don't buck me. Anyways, guys, so as I said, public people. Where you short and I want to. Anyways, guys, so as I say, my belly flat today, like probably because I eat all day today. My belly is so flat. But that was because I just felt like not eating on the road and I felt like eating home. So we just grab a few things and come home, get a case of water and stuff. And yeah, guys, that's so mistake. Anytime I cook, I will lie down at the house for the whole day and decide say I'm not job broom and them someday I feel lazy. But when it come on to cooking, when I cook, I go give me my water, not any water. Give me water I already a drink. When it come on to cooking, I go everything me use, me wash out back. But just I don't know why people always leave the things them when them use for cook.
Yeah,
But feel like that just a too much plate, too much excess plate. You know? I don't like it. Why you pull another water? That's a whole water in your hand. You just give me this. Go for a cup for some of this. Every time I that's gonna do, just because I see one whole case of water, when I pull 3, 4, 5 water one time. Hurry up and carry the cup, come and make sure it's some, you know. So yeah, guys, like I'm sorry I don't have any Christmas tree yet. Like, cheer, hold it, cause them just a learn to wash plates, you know. Them just a learn to wash plate. So.
And this one we get to wash in one plate.
And I see Ariana make her one cornflakes today. Yes. I don't know how it tastes because I never taste it, but goods go on, goods make her one cornflakes. I'm proud of goods.
It was super sweet.
Yeah?
Yes,
Enough sugar you put in there?
Just one pinch.
You put a pinch of sugar and it was super sweet? No, man, that's not like you OD with the sugar. That's not like you use a lot of sugar, mama.
Yeah, me just take my spoon. When we did, I use mix up in milk.
Mm-hmm.
I take a ball of scoop of sugar and then, dash it in.
Okay, I believe you.
Mix it up.
So tell me how you make your cornflakes. What did you do?
Well, maybe tell Daddy to take to me cornflakes, then Daddy you come and take to me cornflakes. Then maybe choose one cup and then Daddy fill up the cup with water and put.
Alright, so guess what? You see, because she gonna give me the whole procedure, guys, what we're gonna do is tomorrow we're gonna have you make your cornflakes for the vlog. Okay?
I want to make make mine too.
Me never see you do it yet, so I don't know about you. You love waste things too much. We not depend that we not nothing to waste right now.
Waste and me no want waste me.
Yeah. Stop fighting for me, slap you down. So you guys see the kitchen is clean, everything speak and span. The only thing up there is that the door over there, so the door I go paint. The door is supposed to paint. As I said, guys, we move in unexpectedly, so there are a few things that they had to get done. Today they did the bathroom. Because the bathroom was a mess. Yeah, well, not really a mess, but yeah, the bathroom had a smell. It was killing us. So right now I'm happy. I'm so happy because we don't smell anything. The bathroom is fixed, and then they're gonna paint the door and get a few things. And that's quite good, guys. When you're not living, that's a lie. When you're not living, that is a lie. Cause me pregnant and me not smell it. When you're living in a rent house, guys, sometimes you have to just know that, listen, and everything the landlord them can do on time. Sometimes them go later than normal. So I'm gonna give you the cooking part of the vlog now, and I don't know if the video is gonna be as long when I'm talking. You wait. I don't know if the video is gonna be as long as I want it to be, but I hope it is. What were you saying now? How about Ariel? Look on her, how she's skin out of this. What to you, Ariana? Aisha, what were you saying? What were you saying? What did I say? You never say nothing though. I food you tell me about though. Eh? I tell you I try to tell me say the pot ready. You're so greedy, nah?
Mommy.
Alright, I don't know what she does tell me. I'm probably true me. Clap her, she not bad.
The only thing me smelly tight.
And my hands are very clean. My nails are clean. I don't play. My hands are clean. My nails are clean. I don't play. I have my nails them, my tall nails them well. Leave me by it too. So guys, I'm love when I pick up on a nice clean self. I'm gonna watch the video back and then I'm gonna think if I should post it. I don't know, but I'm gonna watch it. And if I feel like posting it, I'm gonna post it. Because it's kind of funny, but it's kind of not. That's like the idea we may try to bring across. So I love wanna do shiz. Guys, so this is the curry. We curry the chicken. I'm here cutting up some sweet pepper. See the buds them. Then I cut up some sweet pepper and some pepper. I put my pepper in it. That's the garlic. I'm going to cut the onion. May have me cock soup. May have me powder. May have my powder seasoning them. And then may I burn the oil, guys, with the curry. The curry is also in the oil because me not love running a belly. Yeah. So Ariana is gonna do us the honors of holding the phone. As I told you guys, I don't have any light yet, so we are do a late cooking without light. Oh my god! Alright, hold this, Ariana. We finish. Hold it. So Ariana, hold the phone. I'll make you the phone for position, okay? Hold the phone properly. Then I see you have to hold up the phone. So you put in this first before we put in those. Okay, guys?
Yeah.
You put in the harder things to cook. Because the Irish is tougher than the stealing. Harry, boy, you know, what the camera good, man. Tell you. And then after we are putting the things, then we're gonna come back and we're gonna clean up this area. Because this is where we're putting up everything.
Yeah. The area is now dirty. And now I'm not sleeping.
So we have the little Irish and we have the little pepper, garlic, and that's gonna go in the pot.
Ariel's nothing up here. That's why my tongue's blue.
We're gonna use our cock soup. We're gonna use coconut powder. We're also gonna use some butter too. Yes, sir.
Good.
Also, guys, I don't stir rice unless it is rice and peas. When I white rice, I'm gonna stir. So that is the butter. The butter is to the side. Clean. All of the plate them wash up back and stuff because I don't like leaving dirty plates, especially when I am cooking. I like washing the plate.
Yes, and Mommy's
Like washing the plate same time.
She washed the plate when she's cooking.
Exactly.
Mommy, look at
Yeah, I don't like leaving dirty plates. Guys, first of all, me can share food good. Second of all, this is for the kids because you don't know Jelani is not here, so we can share how me that prepare theme food out of the pot for showing us. So this is the finished product. Yeah, they're gonna enjoy their food now. So yeah.